So that's f of 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now this is considered as a capital X, and consider this as capital X and putting this in value of x. So this is, now we have to put this value in the function f. So 3 minus x cube is this, so 3 minus x cube raised to 1/3 raised to cube whole raised to 1/3. Simply consider this is whole x. Let me just explain you like this way. If you just consider this as capital X, so in function f, wherever you find x, you have to put at capital X. So 3 minus capital X cube raised to 1/3. Now replace capital X by 3 minus x cube upon 1/3, you will get this part. So 3 minus x cube raised to 1/3 whole power 3 raised to 1/3. This 3 get cancelled, so we'll get 3 minus x cube whole raised to 1/3. Now 3 minus 3 plus x cube raised to 1/3, 3 get cancelled, so x cube raised to 1/3 equals to x. So f of x will get as x. Okay, this is the value. Now the next question. F is from capital R to R is a signum function, and G is from R to set of integer. G of x is the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. We have to find FOG and GOF. Okay, so first FOG, that means FOG of f, that means f of g of x. Okay, now what will get? G of x is a greatest integer function, so if you replace it, you will get like this way: f of greatest integer of x. Now f itself is a signum function. That means if we define f, it will be like this way: 1 if x, let me write f of x, 1 if x greater than 0, 0 x equals to 0, and minus 1 x less than 0. This is the value, this is the definition of signum function. Okay, now as a greatest integer function, if we put this for the function f, so putting positive value in the greatest integer function, see x is like this way. If we put positive value in the greatest integer function, we will get the positive value, and for positive value we will have 1. So this is 1 for x greater than 0. If we put 0 in the greatest integer function, we will get 0 again, so that remains same. And if you put negative value in the greatest integer function, we will get the negative value, so we will get minus 1. So FOG is nothing but f of x. FOG of f is nothing but f of x. Now the second one, GOF of f. G of f, GOF, that means G of f of x. G of f of x. G of f of x. Now f of x is a signum function. Okay, so f of x, let me write in the box, f of x is a signum function. Okay, so what we get as g of f of x, let me just write as like this way: g of f of x when x greater than 0, g of f of x when x equals to 0, and g of f of x when x less than 0. Now, for positive value f of x will be 1, so g of 1 when x greater than 1. For equal to 0, for x equals to 0, f of x will be 0, so g of 0 x equals to 0, and for negative value x less than 0, f of x is minus 1. Now g of x is itself an greatest integer function, so greatest integer value of 1 is 1, for 0 is 0, and for minus 1 it's minus 1. X greater than 0, x equals to 0, and x is less than 0. So g of x is again f of x. So we can say that g of x is equals to fog of x. Okay, now for the next one. Okay, this is the next question. F is from z to z and g is from z to z are defined as follows. Both are split function, as you can see. F of n is n plus 2 when n is even, and 2n minus 1 when n is odd. G of n is defined as 2n when n is even, and n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd. Now we have to find FOG and GOF. FOG and GOF. Okay, now this question is important for your exam point of view. Okay, so to find, let's find first GOF. G of f of x we can write as g of f of x. Okay, so what we'll get like this way, g of f of x. Now f of x is have two parts, even part and odd part. So if n even, what will be that? And g of f of x when n is odd. Now f of x when n is even, define, say when n is even f of x is n plus 2, so we'll write g of n plus 2, n is even. And when n is odd, f of x is 2n minus 1, so g of 2n minus 1, n is odd. Now this value, now n plus 2, g itself is a split function. Now to n plus 2, n is even, it becomes even value, so g of n will be 2n when n is even. As n plus 2 is even, we write directly 2 of n plus 2, n is even. And secondly 2n minus 1, see n is odd, so 2n minus 1 itself odd, and when gn is defined as n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd, so we replace this 2n minus 1 over here, so we'll get 2n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd. So GOF is defined as 4n plus 2, n is even, and 2n minus 2 by 2, n is odd. That means 4n plus 2, n is even, and 2 common and cancel, we'll get n minus 1, n is odd. Okay, now for the second part. F of x remains same, g of x remains same. We have to find now fog. Okay, so fog of x we can write as f of g of x. Again f of let me write instead of x n, f of g of n is even, as both are split function. F of g of n is odd. Okay, now f of g of n, when n is even, g of n is defined as 2n, so we replace gn by 2n when n is even. Now for the odd part, g of n defined as n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd. Okay, so we'll write this way: f of n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd. Okay, now for n minus 1 by 2 is odd, let's put some value as n is odd. If you put n equals to 1, n minus 1 by 2 becomes 0, which is even. If you put n equals to 3, we'll get n minus 1 by 2 equals to 3 minus 1 by 2, that is 1, that is odd. If you put n equals to 5, we'll get n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 minus 1 by 2 equals to 2, which is even. So for different odd values, we'll get even odd terms. Okay, so we are splitting this in another two part. So we'll write f of 2n, n is even, f of n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd of type n minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2k when we'll get even value, and also f of n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd and n minus 1 by 2 is of the type 2k minus 1. Okay, now just put the values as over here. If n is even, f is n plus 2, so we'll write this as f is n plus 2 when even, so we write 2n plus 2 where n is even. Now f is 2n minus 1 when n is odd. Okay, so what we write over here, we can say we'll get f of c for this we get even value. Okay, so we again write as n plus 2 as n is even, so we'll write n minus 1 by 2 plus 2 when n is of the type, if you just simplify, we'll get 4k plus 1, and finally for odd value it is 2n minus 1, so 2 into n minus 1 by 2 minus 1, n is of the type 4k minus 1. Okay, so FOG will be 2n plus 2 n even. If you simplify, you will get n plus 3 by 2 when n is odd of the type n equals to 4k plus 1, and this 2 get cancelled, we'll get n minus 2, n is odd of the type n is equals to 4k minus 1. So this is the Fogg function. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, we have started the first chapter of 12th science mathematics, relation and function. In that chapter we have studied what kind of relations are there, what kind of functions are there, symmetric, reflexive, transitive relations are there, one on two, many one into functions are there. In that we have also studied there how to find the composition of the function from that particular type. This is the question regarding that. Okay, So question is, find the FOG and GOF for the following function. Function is from R positive to R positive. F of x is cube root of 3 minus x cube. Find f of f. Okay. Okay. So f of x is given as cube root of 3 minus x cube. That means 3 minus x cube power 1 by 3. That is f of x. Now to find f of x, as f of x is this, that means f of x that equals to f of, this is f of x, so we put 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3, and again f of